शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमाम् आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीमभयदां जाड्यान्धकारापहां हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्। ग्लै हर्षक्षये इति धातुः। ग्लै नाम हर्षक्षयः। ग्लै धातुः हर्षक्षयार्थे प्रयुज्यते। ग्लै हर्षक्षये, हर्षस्य क्षयः. So it can mean fading or feeling sad, etc. So what is the swara? Anudatta udattet. So it is anudatta. It doesn't have it. अस्या अनुबंधः नास्ति. अनुबंधः नाम इत्. अस्य धातोः इत् नास्ति. तस्मात् अनुदात्तः. उदात्तेत् इति भागः अत्र न आवश्यकः. ग्लै हर्षक्षये. अधुना किंचित् सूत्रं द्रष्टव्यम्. आदेच उपदेशे शिति. आत् एचः उपदेशे अशिति. 6145. अंगस्य अंगस्य इत्येव पर्याप्तमिति भाति. धातोः इत्यस्ति. लिटि धातोरनभ्यासस्य इत्यस्मात् धातोरित्यनुवर्तते. धातोः अंगस्य इति नास्ति खलु. 61. आत् एचः. एचः इति पंचमी एकवचनं धातोः इत्यस्य विशेषणं भवति. तस्मात् एचः धातोः नाम एजन्तात् धातोः. एच् अन्तात् धातोः अन्त्यस्य स्थाने आत् आत् इति तपरकरणं नैतत् पंचम्यन्तं पदं किन्तु आकारः आत् आदेशः भवति अशिति अशिति नाम शिति न भवति इत्यर्थः शिति परे न भवति उपदेशे इति अत्र उपदेशे एजन्तात् धातोः इति उपदेशे एजन्तात् धातोः अन्त्यस्य स्थाने आत् आदेशः भवति शिति परे न भवति अशिति इति न शिति न शिति न शिति इत्युक्ते शिति परे न भवति शिति प्रत्यये परे न भवति अयम् आदेशः न भवति so a dhatu should be ejanta in upadesha upadeshah nama adyocharanam dhatu pathe ayam dhatuh ejantah syat tada tasya antyasya echah sthane आकारः आदेशो भवति इति एजन्तस्य धातोः आकारादेशः विधीयते कदा विधीयते इति नियमः नास्ति यदा कदाचिदपि अयं धातुः उपतिष्ठते तदा तस्य स्थाने आकारः आदिश्यते एव किन्तु शिति परे न भवति if let me tell in English so if a dhatu is ejanta in upadesha then the final letter should be replaced by a this is a general rule but then Panini says Shiti pare na bhavati. It won't happen if shit is going to come. Shiti vishaye. Instead of pare, it is taken a shiti vishaye. Shiti na bhavati means it is shiti vishaye na bhavati. He doesn't take it as parasaptami because even before shit is added, even before shit comes, you have to decide whether a or a. If shit is going to come, then adesha doesn't happen. Otherwise, adesha happens. Shiti vishayena bhavati. Atrapi shit iti karmadharayaha swikaryah. नतु बहुव्रीहिः शः एव इत् शित् यथा अस्माभिः पूर्वस्मिन् कस्मिंश्चित् सूत्रे दृष्टं सो शः इत् शित् शकारः एव इत् शित् तन्नाम शिदादौ प्रत्यये परे न भवति इत्यर्थः यदि प्रत्ययः शित् आदिः स्यात् प्रत्ययस्य आदौ इत्संज्ञकः शकारः स्यात् तदा अयम् आदेशः न भवेत् अधुना ग्लै धातुः we have to look into lat form. In lat, shap will come after the dhatu. Shap is shit. In the beginning, there is itsanjaka shakara. Therefore, आदे च उपदेशे will not work. Therefore, only glai plus tip. Now, shap, glai plus shap plus tip. Shap is only a. Now, what will happen? Yeah, nothing will happen. Of course, sarvadhatuka guna will happen, but this won't get guna because it is not ik. इगन्तास्यैव गुणो भवति, अत्र इक् नास्ति, तस्मात् गुणादेशः अत्र न भवति. देन् एचो यवायावः, एचो यवायावः ऐ इत्यस्य स्थाने आय आदेशो भवति. ग्लायति, ग्लायति, ग्लाय इत्येतत्तु सर्वत्र समानम्. ग्लायति, ग्लायतः, ग्लायन्ति, ग्लायसि, ग्लायथः, ग्लायथ, ग्लायामि, ग्लायावः, ग्लायामः. Now, lit, lit lakara, glai plus lit, glai, even before adding lit, in lit there is no shit. Shit pratyaya does not come, therefore आदे च उपदेशे शिति इति ऐकारस्य आकारादेशो भवति. ग्ला इति. इतः परम् अयम् आकारान्तधातुत्वेन परिगृहीतव्यः. Now it will work like akaranta dhatu. Gla plus lit. So lit is in the place of lit, tip. Gla plus tip. And in the place of tip, null, null, gla plus null. Then vitva, gla plus null is a. So now here abhyasa karya hraswaha haladisheshaha, only ga remains. Gakara and akara, a becomes hraswa, ga, and in the place of ga, kuhoshchuhu, gakarasya sthane chavargadeshaha, chavargaha kaha, ja, jakaradesho bhavet. Ja, jagla, एतस्मात् पूर्वमेव अस्माभिः आत औ नलः इति सूत्रं द्रष्टव्यमासीत्. आत औ नलः, औ नलः. Number आत औ नलः.
7:130. And we have already done it.
Okay, okay, we have already done. Sorry. Yeah. We have done in pa. Okay. Yeah. So, okay.
7:130.
Yeah. Gla plus a. Now, ata au nalaha. Ata au nalaha. इति अत्र अकारस्य स्थाने औ आदेशो भवति. ग्ला प्लस औ. Now द्वित्वा etc. So ग्ला plus औ. Now what will happen? What has happened in papau? तत्र किम अभवत्? तत्र किम अभवत्? papau ityatra. No, in papau what happened at this step? No, atolopa iticha won't work here. Yeah. Atolopa iticha won't work here. Vridhirechi, that's all. Why atolopa iticha won't work? Kit. This is not kit. Yeah. This is a pit lit. So asanyoga lit kit. Ityatra apit lit kit sanjakah bhavati. Kintu ayam to lit kit na bhavati. Kimartham kit na bhavati? Ayam to pit lit. This is in the place of tip. So this won't become kit because this is a pit lit. Prathama ekavachana lits are pit in Parasmaipada, not in Atmanepada. Atmanepada, all lits will become kit. So, Vridhirechi. Vridhirechi and Jaglau. Jaglau. Then gla plus atus. Atus is kit lit. So all the other things are similar. Only what will work? What you have said in the previous one? Atolopa iticha. Atolopa iticha. Iti jaglatuhu. Up to this much is same. Jagla plus atus. So atolopa iticha. This is not it, but this is kit ardhadhatuka, ajadi kit ardhadhatuka. Therefore, jaglatuhu. Jaglatus. Rutva visargau jaglatuhu. Yeah. Jaglau jaglatuhu. Likewise jagluhu. Atolopa iticha. There also, yeah. Jagluhu. Then, yeah, thal. Thal is, we have to be careful. So this is anudatta. See, krisra bhravru by kradi niyama, this will have it in lit. Then achastasvathalyanito nityam. Is it anit in tas? It is anit. Why?
It's not akara starting with a.
No. In tas. Is it anit in tas?
Not ajanta.
It is ajanta dhatu. Glai is ajanta. Gla. It is ajanta dhatu. Is it anit in tas?
No.
Yeah, it is anit because it is ekacha upadeshe anudattat. It is anudatta, right? Being anudatta dhatu, it is anit in tas. Therefore, achastasvathalyanito nityam iti asya thali api anitvam syat. Even in thal, it will not have it, according to Panini. Then Rito Bharadvajasya, according to Bharadvaja, only Rikaranta dhatu will not get it. Therefore, this will have it, according to Bharadvaja. Therefore, Paniniya Paksha, it will have no it. Bharadvaja Pakshe, it bhavati. Paniniya Pakshe, it na bhavati. Bharadvaja Pakshe, it bhavati. Iti vikalpena idagamo bhavati. Iti rupadvayam. So one is with it. Jagla plus etha. I am not doing everything, you know. Jagla plus etha. Now, when it is there, this is pit. Therefore, it is akit. Yet, idadau ardhadhatu ke pare akarasya lopo bhavati. Ato lopa iticha. The iticha part is relevant here. Because otherwise, just ajadi kit would have been enough. This is not kit. Yeah. You just try to make out what I am saying later. So, ato lopa iticha. Jagla plus itha. Jaglitha. Jaglitha. This is with it. Then without it, Without it, atolopa iticha won't work. Therefore, jaglatha. Jaglatha. Yeah. So, two forms in thal. Then jaglathuhu, jagla. Simple. And yeah. Uttama purusha, jaglau. Same. Jagliva, jaglima. There it will come because of kradi niyama. It will anyway come. So jagliva and jaglima. Since it has come, atolopa iticha. So jagliva and jaglima. So jaglau, jaglatuhu, jagluhu. Jaglatha, jaglitha, jaglathuhu, jagla. Jaglau, jagliva, jaglima. Then lut lakara. This is anit dhatu. Therefore, no it. Therefore, the forms are simple. Of course, Adecha upadeshe shiti will work in lut because there is no shit. Therefore, glata, glataro, glataraha. Glatasi, glatastha, glatastha, glatasmi, glataswaha, glatasmaha. Iti. Simple. Then lrit lakara. Lrit lakara also no it. Adecha upadeshe shiti will work because even in lrit no shit. Therefore glasyati, glasyataha, glasyanti. Glasyasi, glasyathaha, glasyatha, glasyami, glasyavaha, glasyamaha. Lrit. Yeah. Then lung. Okay, lot. Lot lakara also. See, lot lakara, there is shit. Shap will come. Therefore, adecha upadeshe shiti will not work. Therefore, glai plus shap plus ti. Ti will become tu. Eruhu. And then glai plus a plus u. A plus tu. Echo yavayavaha. Glayatu. More or less like lat. Glayatu, glayatu, glayatam, glayantu. Then glaya, glayatam, glayata, glayani, glayava, glayama. Lot lakara. Then vidhiling, lung lakara. Simple. You know the rules more or less like lat. Aglayat, aglayatam, aglayan ityadi. Yeah. Then vidhiling lakara, there will be shit. Therefore, adecha upadeshe shiti will not work. So glayet, glayet, glayetam, glayeyuhu ityadi. Then ashirling, adecha upadeshe shiti will work because there is no shit. See, only in these four. What are the four? Lat, lot, lung, vidhiling. In these four lakaras, you get the vikarana of the particular gana. In only these four lakaras. In other lakaras, you will not get vikarana of any particular gana. Therefore, the division of ganas is relevant only for these four lakaras. What are the four? Lat, Lot, Lang and Vidhiling. That's all. That is why in some systems they will teach only these four lakaras first. Yeah. Yeah. So then they will teach other things. So there is a different order of developing. Yeah. So Ashirling, we need another sutra. Vanyasya sanyogadehe. Va anyasya sanyogadehe. Yeah. 6468. Yeah. Ehe lingi ataha kiti angasya. Ehe, earling, from that ehe. Ehe lingi kiti ataha. Angasya. Ehe is 1-1, not 5-1. Yeah. 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 Ghu ma stha ga pa jahati sam. So, yeah. Ghuma stha ga pa jahati sebhyah. Anyasya. Ataha angasya means akarantasya angasya. Antyasya sthane ehe adeshaha va kitilingi. Kitilingi pare. अर्ध धातु के कीतिलिंग, सॉरी, अर्ध धातु के कीतिलिंग. not just kitilingi, ardha dhatu ke kitilingi. Ardha dhatu ke kitilingi pare. So this is after airlingi. In airlingi, these dhatus, ghu, ghusanjaka dhatu, mastha, ga, pa, jahati, sho, sho dhatu, jahati, soha, tyage, and sho dhatu. These dhatus got ekaradesha when ardha dhatuka kitling followed. That was airlingi. We have seen it last week, I think. Now, this sutra, vanyasya sanyogadehe, is not for those dhatus. It is for other dhatus which are akaranta. Under ghumastha also, I think all the dhatus are akaranta. Ghu, ma, stha, ga, pa, jahati, sa, all are effectively akaranta. Though basically some are not akaranta, but effectively because of adecha upadeshe shiti, all become akaranta. But this is not for those dhatus. It is for other akaranta dhatus. घुमास्थादिभ्यः अन्ये ये आकारान्त धातवः तेषाम् आकारस्य स्थाने वा विकल्पेन एकारादेशो भवति. कदा? आर्धधातुके कितिलिङि परे. घुमास्थादिभ्यः अन्यस्य, एनी अन्यस्य आकारान्तस्य धातोः अंगस्य. Dhatoh is understood because ling will follow only a dhatu. So ghumastha etc. Any akaranta dhatu other than ghumastha etc. their akara will optionally get ekara adesha when ardha dhatuka kitling follows. Oh, so far we have not touched this book. Yeah. See, adecha glai harshakshaye. Glayati. आदेच उपदेशे शिति. उपदेशे एजन्तस्य धातोः आत्वं न तु शिति. जग्लौ ग्लाता ग्लास्यति ग्लायतु अग्लायत ग्लायेत. Up to this we know it is vidhiling glayet. Now for ashirling we need this sutra. Vanyasya sanyogadehe ghumasthadehe anyasya संयोगादेहे धातोः आतः एत्वं वा आर्धधातुके कितिलिङि. Sorry, not I have missed one thing. संयोगादेहे आकारान्तस्य. संयोगादेहे was missed out. संयोगादेहे आकारान्तस्य. So the akaranta dhatu should be sanyogadi. it should begin with a sanyoga. What is sanyoga?
Varna.
Halonantara sanyogaha. Yeah. Ajbhihi avyavahitaha halaha. Sanyoga sanyaha bhavati. So, yeah. वहाँ अन्यस्य संयोगादेहे घुमास्थादेहे अन्यस्य. So अन्यस्य, anya requires an avadhi. What is avadhi? The reference point from what you are saying. Anyatvasya avadhihi kaha ityukte घुमास्थादयः एव अन्यत्वस्य avadhihi. So घुमास्थादेः अन्यस्य, other than घुमास्था etc. So when something is told like anya etc., what is told proximately should be understood as avadhi. So that is how he get this. Really it is not coming as anuvritti. It should be understood. Ghumasthadehe anyasya, any dhatu other than ghumastha etc. And it is sanyogadi. That dhatu should be sanyogadi and it should be akaranta also. Then ataha etvam va, the akara will optionally get ekara. Ardhadhatuke kiti lingi, when ardhadhatuka kit ling follows. So glai becomes a gla, adecha upadeshe shiti, because in ashirling there is no shit. Gla plus yasut agama plus takara tip, e is elided itascha iti. So no, yeah. Okay, now this one. Adecha avanyasya sanyogadehe. Gla optionally becomes gle. Gle plus yas plus sat, or gla plus yas plus takara. Now this is a pada altogether. Padan. Now this is a sanyoganta. So sko sanyogadyoho ante cha iti sakarasya lopaha. So gleyat or glayat. So vanyasya sanyogadehe will work for all ashirling forms. Then everywhere we will have two forms. Gleyat, gleyastam, gleyasuhu. Gleyah, gleyastam, gleyasta. Gleyasam, gleyasva, gleyasma. This is one. Then glayat, glayastam, glayasuhu. Glayah, glayastam, glayasta. Glayasam, glayasva, glayasma. Another. Vidhiling, ashirling, then lung. So another sutra is needed for lung. Yamaramanamatam sakcha. Seven.
272.
सिचि परस्मैपदेषु it. All those things we can anyway understood. Ardhadhatukasya valadehe etc. Angasya sichi parasmaipadeshu it. Sya. Yama rama nama atam Anganam. This is Shashti Bahuvachanam. So I will write Angasya also as Anganam. This is Visheshana for Anganam. Sak Agamaha Sichi Parasmaipadeshu Pareshu Sichi Pare Parasmaipadeshu Sichi Pare Parasmaipadeshu Pareshu. This is one part of the sutra. Then Sichaha it agamaha cha. Yeah. Yama rama nama atam. These are four angas. Yama is yam dhatu. Akara is ucharana. Akara is meant for ucharanam. Yam dhatu. And ram dhatu. And nam dhatu. And at means akaranta dhatus. They get sak agama. When sich follows, and sich is in turn followed by parasmaipada. Sich is not parasmaipada. Then what is sich? Sich pratyaya. Is it parasmaipada or atmanepada? Neither. Yeah. It is like asking, is this chair a man or woman? So then this is one part. Yama rama nama at. They get sak agama. In the meantime, sichaha it agamaha bhavati. Sich gets it agama. Two things happen simultaneously. See, Yama rama namatam sak cha esham sak syat ebhyaha sichaha it syat parasmaipadeshu esham sak syat. Esham means yamarama namatam anganam sak syat. Yama rama nama and at. At means akaranta anga. They get sak agama. where will sak fit? In sak, only sakara remains. Only sakara remains. Akara is ucharanartha and kakara is it by halantyam. Only sakara remains. It is kit. Kit agama. Being a kit agama, where will it fit? Adyantau takitau. It will become antavayava, being kit. It will fit at last, at the end. And it is adyavayava, being tit. Adyavayava of sit. Becomes a gla because there is no shit. Gla plus tip, only takara remains by itascha. Then chali lungi and chile hai sich. Gla plus sich plus takara. Now, what will happen? It is not prapta here. Why? Because it is anudatta. Ekacha upadeshe anudattat. It is not prapta. But then we have this sutra. It is akaranta. So yama, rama, nama, atam, sakcha. Atam, sakcha. So gla plus sakara. Gla plus is plus takara. Then here what will happen? Asti sicho prakte aprakta eat agama. Glass is eat. Glass plus is plus eat. Then ita eat. Ita eat. Glass plus eat. Then savarna dirgha. Glass plus eat. Akasavarne dirgha. Then at agama. A glass eat. Aglasit. So you can write the steps properly on your own. So many sutras are involved. I am not writing everything properly so that you can do it on your own. Aglasit. Also sak and it will come. Aglasishtam. Aglasit, aglasishtam. And aglasishuhu. Aglasihi, aglasishtam, aglasishta. Aglasisham, aglasishva, aglasishma. So situ, of course, yama, yamadhatu also. Sich will come. Yam plus sak. Yams. And it plus sich plus eat. Ayam seet. It will become ayam seet. Ayam seet, ayam sishtam, ayam sishuhu ityadi. Similarly, namadhatu, anam seet. Namati is latlakara. Anamat is langalakara. Lungalakara will be anam seet. Saha gurum anam seet. Anamat is lung. Anam seet is lung. Then Lrangalakara is simple. Aglasyat. Aglasyat. Aglasyatam. Aglasyan ityadi. Nrittavasane natarajarajo nanadadhakkam navapanchavaram uddhartu kamassanakadi siddhan etadvimarshe shivasutrajalam.